Hey guys, I've got the February julep box here, and I can already tell there's something edible in the box because there's a little card on top that has the allergen warning and the chocolate hearts ingredients. And usually if it's a holiday like Valentine's Day or something like that is happening in the month, they will include something edible, a little candy or something. So it looks like they did include a little gold heart, so that's really cute. And this month they had some pretty interesting colors. I honestly don't know how they can keep coming out with more colors every single month. Just for years and years and years, they keep coming out with an entirely new collection, and they really have different colors every time. Like these two, I think are pretty unique. Like this one is called Pia, and it's a Wonder Maven, and that's like a new group of colors of theirs. And this one is a really, really deep burgundy with an iridescent shimmer. So it just looks so beautiful, I think. And I will put Julep's information down in the info box if you guys want to check them out. If you are new, they used to give new subscribers one free box, but what they do now is actually a lot more amazing than that. They're actually giving new subscribers 12 free polishes, so you get a collection of 12 polishes for free, which is kind of amazing when you become a new subscriber. And I think you only have to subscribe for maybe 3 months, or I'm not sure, just a pretty short amount of time, and then you can just cancel and you can keep your 12 free polishes. And then this is the other shade. This one is called Emmy, and it's one of their boho glam shades, and you do get to choose every single item. Well, you can be surprised, or you can choose every single item in your box if you don't like surprises. So I've been actually choosing every single item in my box, and this is a really beautiful, I want to see kind of like a grungy greigey green, and it also has just a faint little sparkle in it. And then this is their No Limits Luxe Hydrating Cream. And I've been really excited to try this because I've heard really great things. It's a 3-ounce bottle, and it says massage a small amount of this luxurious cream anywhere you need deep, long-lasting hydration. So I'm thinking it's like for dry spots on your face, or for your hands, or for your elbows. Let's take a look. Ooh, it's very, very thick. As you can see, like as I squeeze it out of the bottle, it's a very, very, very thick lotion. Ooh, and the smell is really good too. So that was the February box, and I actually like that lately they've been just doing these little pieces of brown paper in the boxes rather than the shreds that they used to put in here, because for days afterwards I would have just little shreds of paper everywhere in the house. So I actually really like the new way that they've been doing the packaging, and I'm really looking forward to trying all 3 of these. Let me know what you guys picked this month if you are subscribed, and if you're not and you're interested in subscribing and getting the free 12-piece set, then I will link that down in the info box. Thanks for watching. Bye.